must give a warning that the sugar is very, very hot when it's caramelising. It's like over 200 degrees. So water boils at 100, so you can imagine it's sort of burn it can give you. So please be careful when you're working with caramel. Now, give it a bit of a taste test. You would have noticed that on the plate I put some biscuit crumbs for the creme fraiche, put it on top. The reason I put the biscuit crumbs there so the hot sauce doesn't melt the creme fraiche, so it just sits on top of there so it doesn't melt all through the strawberries. Okay, a bit of a taste test. You noticed that I used half a lemon to stir it, so you get the lemon juice going through it, plus the rind as well, the flavour of the lemon going through the sauce. Also, I've used creme fraiche because it's not sweet. You've got the, you can serve ice cream or ice cream or chantilly cream or something like that, but it's already a very, very sweet dish, so just to contrast, I put the creme fraiche, which I think suits like the flambe dish a lot better. You can taste it now. I'm going to taste the lemon in the sauce. The strawberries are just cooked, just done when I overcook them. And and I think I had a bit of a problem with the raw cognac I used. Didn't really want to flame up. Don't know why that was, but as you can see, very simple dish, especially like where I come from now, the strawberries are like only $1 a pint, so they're in season, so it's a perfect opportunity to use your fresh local produce and use it. So it's brilliant. So please tell me if you try it. Leave a comment below. If you like it, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you very much.